Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm going to be completing a full body scan meditation for my technique. The purpose of a full body scan is to tune into your body, to reconnect to your physical self, and notice any sensations that you are feeling without any judgment. It is to help develop regulation of stress through relaxation. It does allow the ability to be more present with yourself and be in the moment and kind of release some tension in your body that you are feeling, and be more open and aware as you go through each part of your body, of what your body is feeling and what is going on with your body. It is relaxing. Anyone can really benefit from it. It is beneficial if you do it before sleep. It is supposed to help people sleep because it does kind of relax you, not just your mind, but it does relax your body as well. So they work hand in hand. It is effective for really anyone, and it can be done any time of the day. So it can be done any time of the day if you just need to kind of take a moment, gather yourself, get everything together, and go through a whole relaxing kind of body scan. So the way we're going to start is you're going to get comfortable. I am sitting up, but you can do it laying down. So you're going to get comfortable whether you are sitting up, you are laying down. You can lay down, so you're just going to notice your general position of your body. Are you sitting up straight? Are your hands on your knees? Notice the relationship of the body with your space around you. Notice where you are. Notice the time of day. Notice if you are having any tightness anywhere in your body. Notice what you are thinking and what you are feeling. Are you feeling restless? Are you feeling grounded? Are you feeling agitated? Are you feeling frustrated? Are you feeling calm? Notice the time of day. Notice where you are. Just notice what is going on around you without judging or trying to change anything. Okay, now close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breathing. When you breathe in, feel the air enter your lungs and your chest rise. And you breathe out and feel the air leave your nose. And do that a couple more times. Breathe in and feel the air enter your chest and just live in that sensation. And breathe out and feel the air come out. Feel your breath. Be aware of what you're feeling. Be aware of your feeling in your chest when you're breathing in. And be aware of it leaving your body when you're breathing out. Simply just sit and be aware of the sensations in your body, allowing them to just be. Be aware of you sitting in your chair. Now I want you to bring attention to your head, the top of your head. Now think to the back of your head, and the sides of your head, and down to your ears, keeping your eyes closed. Bringing your attention to your face, and now your forehead, and now thinking about your eyebrows, and now to your eyes, and now to your cheeks, and now thinking about your mouth, and now to your jaw, and now you're going to move your attention down to your neck. Think about how your neck is feeling, and now down to your shoulders, noticing how your neck and your shoulders are feeling with a sense of curiosity. And now moving your attention down to your arms, and now down to your elbows, and now down to your forearms, and into your wrists, and now into your hands. Now move that feeling down to your fingers and your thumbs, kind of noticing the sensations that you feel, whether they are resting on your legs or they're at your sides. Just think about how they feel and what sensations you are feeling. And now you're going to move your attention to your torso. And now to your chest. And now to your upper back. And notice your heartbeat and your sense of breathing. And now move your attention to your stomach and your lower back. And now move your attention to your hips and down to your legs and down to your thighs and to your knees and to your shins and now to your calves. And now you're going to move into your ankles, thinking of the tops of your feet and the sides of your feet and the bottoms of your feet. Feel how each part of your body feels connected. Feel how your foot is connected to your ankle, and your ankle is connected to your knees, and your knees are connected to your legs, and your legs are connected to your hips, and to your stomach, and to your lower back, and that's connected to your torso, which is connected to your chest, and your upper back, and your shoulders, and now your arms. And your arms are connected to your shoulders, and to your neck, and now your neck is connected to your head. Feel the skin around you as your whole body, and notice your sensations. Notice the temperature and the texture, and become aware of your whole body in this moment. Just take a moment to relax and feel how your whole body is connected to each other. Breathing in and out, and feeling your breathing again, and feeling your rise, and feeling your fall of your chest, and feeling as you inhale and you exhale, and continue to feel that. And now when you're ready, bring your attention to your body in your seat, and now open your eyes. And that is the full scan body meditation. Thank you.